Most drivers have no idea how their car operates, and that's okay. You're not expected to know the ins and outs of every moving part. But sometimes, the smallest, most technical components in your engine can cause the biggest problems. And today, we're diving into one of those often overlooked but incredibly important parts, the hydraulic lifter. Let's start with the basics. What exactly is a hydraulic lifter? In an internal combustion engine, hydraulic lifters, also called hydraulic tappets, are tiny. The powerful components located between the camshaft and the pushrods or rocker arms. Their job: to maintain zero valve clearance. In simple terms, they automatically adjust to ensure your engine's valves open and close smoothly and with just the right timing every single time your engine cycles. So yeah, they may be small, but they're crucial to your engine's performance and longevity. Excessive engine nose, the first sign that something's wrong. Nose: if one of your hydraulic lifters is worn out, stuck, or has failed completely, you'll hear it. You might hear a sharp ticking, tapping, or even a knocking sound coming from the top of your engine. This isn't a subtle nose, it's usually loud enough to be heard over your radio. And here's the kicker: the nose gets louder as you accelerate. That's because your engine is working harder and the faulty lifter can't keep up with the camshaft's pace. Broken pushrods and dead cylinders. In overhead valve engines, pushrods act as a bridge between your camshaft and the intake or exhaust valves. Hydraulic lifters push those rods with perfect timing and precision until they stop working. A failed lifter can cause a pushrod to bend, crack, or completely break. That interrupts the valve's movement, causing what's known as a dead cylinder. What's a dead cylinder? It's a cylinder that no longer fires at all. Basically, it's just along for the ride while the other cylinders do the work. You'll feel a drop in power and hear your engine struggle. Engine misfires. Misfires are one of the clearest signs that something is off in your combustion cycle. Hydraulic lifters are responsible for controlling when your valves open and close. If they don't function properly, your engine may misfire because fuel and air aren't getting where they need to go when they need to go there. Signs of a misfire: jerky or rough acceleration, uneven idle, shaky engine, poor fuel economy. Flashing check engine light. To check engine light, your car is constantly checking itself using sensors. If your engine starts to misfire, if emissions spike, or if combustion timing goes out of whack, the check engine light is one of the first ways your car will warn you. Hydraulic lifters may be small, but they play a huge role in keeping your engine running smoothly. Ignoring the signs of failure can lead to much bigger and more expensive problems down the road. If you catch the symptoms early, you'll save yourself a lot of time, money, and headaches. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, like and comment, and don't forget to subscribe.